Right.
My friend, how are you, bro?
Fine. I'm very good.
Introduction yourself.
All right.
You were from from which planet? I mean, you which country?
Okay. Hello,
Okay.
guys.
Uh-huh.
My name is Vincent, aka African Amateur.
Slowly, bro.
Sorry, I'm
slowly.
sorry. My name
E
is Vincent.
B.
B name.
Oh, then
VICENT.
CENT.
Acha.
Vincent.
Vincent.
Okay.
Papa.
Too much grammar have
Yeah,
in
too much
in
grammar.
his name.
Yeah, my name.
Difficult to pronounce, nah?
Yeah, just like Ovu Vin.
Or
Sas.
And tell your
So-
address, tell your other card,
Yeah.
I mean, voter card, I mean, your address.
Yeah, I'm from Africa. I'm from Nigeria.
Africa. Oh,
Yeah, I'm from
I
Nigeria.
want to go, man. I want to go in Africa.
You're
Please,
free to go enjoy yourself.
Together. Together, bro.
No problem, bro.
Yeah.
Anytime.
You guide me.
I will guide you.
And teach me some African language, man.
How far?
How far means?
Yeah, that's how are you?
Oh, how are you?
Yeah.
And
You go eat.
then.
That means, are you hungry?
So guys, he is also a YouTuber, very big YouTuber.
Nah,
Tell your
smart.
YouTube name, bro.
Actually, my YouTube name is African Amakshu.
Africa.
Yeah, African, then Amakshu.
Amakshu,
Yeah. So I'm married to a Naga tribe,
Naga
which
tribe,
is
yeah.
the Sema tribe.
Yeah.
See
Basically,
the women in the
you
building.
African from which village? I mean, which town?
Lagos.
Lagos.
Yeah.
He said some girls don't crush him. He is already married. He have lot of children. On me,
Only crush
don't crush on him.
Yeah. If you're having crush on me, divert the crush to him.
Yeah. Okay. So girls don't crush. Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.
Love you.